Hello, friends. I am an airplane. My name is Twilight. I fly in the sky every day. I am big, fast, and strong. I have two long wings. My wings help me fly. I also have two engines. My engines make loud sounds. Vroom, vroom, vroom. I have many windows. Passengers sit near the windows. They look outside and see the clouds. The clouds are white and soft. I have a cockpit in the front of the plane. The pilot sits in the cockpit. The pilot flies me safely. The co-pilot helps the pilot. They work as a team. I carry many passengers. Passengers bring bags and suitcases. They sit on the comfortable seats. They wear seat belts. Safety is very important. Before I fly, I stay at the airport. The airport is my home. I wait on the runway. The runway is long and straight. The pilot says, "Ready for takeoff." I start moving slowly. Then I move fast and faster. Soon I fly in the sky. I fly above houses. I fly above rivers. I fly above mountains. Everything looks very small. Passengers eat food inside me. They drink juice and water. Some passengers sleep. Some read books. Some watch movies. I travel from one city to another. Sometimes I fly far away. I cross oceans and countries. I meet many people every day.